We're there with just facts and we're there only for spit just the facts, you see me people? So Buju Banton's son Markus Myrie seems like he has been blacklisted by the public. Yeah, people now take on to Markus Myrie after the incident the other day with him and his father Buju Banton. Also, the Trinidadian police commissioner apologizes to Buju after cops visited hotel yesterday. Like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. We'll get straight into the topic right after these messages.
Polo shirt and my damn shorts, tight jeans with the damn clocks. On the road we are rough. When the drink out the cup, that we pop cup.
Commissioner of Police Gary Griffith has apologized to Buju Banton after cops visited his hotel room in Trinidad with a search warrant on Saturday. That's yesterday. I don't know, it was 4:20. We don't know if because of 4:20 them feel like Buju would come with a pound of herbs or I don't know. You see me? But Griffith in a WhatsApp message confirmed that he met with the Jamaican reggae singer and promised to launch an investigation into the incident. Earlier, Buju took to his Instagram account where he revealed that the police officers visited his hotel room with a search warrant. I am chilling in my hotel room and the cops came, a whole bunch of them. Said they had a warrant to search my room and a whole bunch of stuff, he said. Questioning how the police could obtain a search warrant on a Saturday for a hotel room. Officers found nothing illegal in the room. I don't know, representatives from the Jamaican High Commission were present for the meeting with the Commissioner of Police, during which Buju expressed love for the people of Trinidad and Tobago. Buju's publicist Ronnie Tomlinson of Destin Media said the singer is ready for his performance at the Queen's Park, Savannah on Sunday and will not be distracted. When we say long walk to freedom, the walk wasn't over on December 7, 2018. We knew the walk would continue. He said it best. It's not an easy road and many see the glamour and the glitter. So them think a better rose. Who feels it knows, Lord help me sustain these blows. One thing we promise you is Buju will not be distracted. The love for Trinidad remains and the love for his fans remains. As he said, he does this for his people, never for them. So after such a warm welcome from the people them of Trinidad and Tobago, them come out and meet him at the airport. Them want to see Buju in person. All them fans them come out. We can dead there, you see me? So Buju have to really sit back and I wonder if it's really a plot against I.
Yo, Trinidad, what's up? I just realized something. I'm chilling in my hotel room and the cops came to check me. A whole bunch of them. Saying they got a warrant to search my room and all that kind of stuff. I'm here in Trinidad. I love for the people. Chill with my band, all that. But I just want you to know, no matter what, they can't break us. We see what's going on. We just want you to know what's going on. We see what you're planning. How can you obtain a search warrant for a hotel room on a Saturday? Okay. Still got love for you, Trinidad. They can't distract us. That's why we're here. For you, not them. Peace.
The good thing about it is that Buju Banton not distracted by all of that we go on. Him still deal with him show, him still focus on the show if come up today. And him still have love for the people them, so not no change. That's the greatest thing about it. I don't know, as we say, Buju Banton says it's not an easy road. So him understand all of them little obstruction and obstacles in the way, you see me? But he must step over it. Him now make that come between him and him people, him and him fans, you see me? Which is great. Yeah, so Buju just go and do the show and don't listen to what some people are say. Some people are said done with Trinidad and don't go back there. But despite all of this still, I'm glad for see the Trinidadian Commissioner of Police paid Buju a visit and try to mend things as fast as him can before the thing get out of hand. Even though the video done gone viral and everybody know about it. But I'm glad for see at least them try to deal with it as soon as possible. Yeah, make up that. So forgive them, Buju. They know not what they do. Yeah, I'm talking about now not what they do. Yeah, we was talking about Markus Myrie, yeah, Buju's son. Yeah, based on the incident we got down the other day with him and him father, the altercation between the two. It seemed for cause the public for blacklist Markus right now. And what want to think about these people? Don't think this is going to affect Markus' career as a producer? Because people already are bash him left, right and center, you know. And not for staying at this topic too long, we're going to just read some of the comments where the people must say. So the star put up Markus Myrie holding a vibe. Yeah. And you don't know, the people them start give it to Markus. Say we really don't give a damn, Buju will say. Yeah, another person say star you not have nothing for do. The next person say me I block them because me block the one Markus already. Yeah. Everybody in the comment section are cuss about just a picture of Markus Myrie being posted. Yeah, so another person I say another appearance. The next person I say that a fame business. No one cares bad mind Markus. And next man even go as far as saying Batman Markus, you're a fake Rasta boy. Yeah man, the next person, Jesus and peace, want a raw slick Markus. So people them just see him for forgive Markus for the little altercation between him and him father the other day. You wanna think about that, people. Don't think as we all talk about parents and children, sometimes them have them differences, but I don't think the public for really put down one of them or say them done with one because them don't know the inside story. You see me? But on a comment on the thoughts down below when I think about all of this with Buju situation and with the crowd, the public being dealing with Markus away and blacklist him. Yeah, people, I don't know, I just facts and I am out.